Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mud water. Mix 2 cups clean water with 1 cup sifted cosmetic clay. Stir until smooth. Adjust thickness with small water additions, then rest for 10 minutes to hydrate the clay. Strain through a fine sieve if needed. Store in a sealed jar in the fridge for up to 5 days, and shake before each use for even texture and application. Gather simple ingredients and tools: cosmetic clay, clean water, a bowl, spoon, sieve, jar, and optional additives like salt or essential oil drops. Warm water around 30-40 degrees C helps clay hydrate faster, but avoid boiling water. Measure precisely using cups or a kitchen scale for consistent results. Use gloves if you have sensitive skin, and always patch test a small area to check for reactions before full use. Keep pets and children away during preparation for safety. Combine clay and water gradually while stirring in a circular motion to prevent lumps and achieve a smooth, pourable consistency. For thicker mud paste, use a 2:1 clay to water ratio. For thinner mud water, increase water slowly. Apply with brush or hands, leave on skin for 10-15 minutes, then rinse with gentle circular motions to exfoliate. Rehydrate with a light moisturizer after drying to restore skin balance, and avoid eye contact, and consult professional if you have active skin conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.